Hello students, welcome to European Education. I am Jitendra Tyagi. As all of you know that European Education has launched some books for your GATE preparation as a booster for your GATE preparation. Okay, so here we have one book that is for electronics engineering. So such books are available in all major branches like in electrical, civil, like computer science, okay, mechanical, all these branches we have launched this book. So in this book we have collected all important questions from different NPTEL assignments available on the internet, and out of the available content we have chosen the best content for GATE preparation, okay, relevant content for GATE preparation, right? So if you want to practice more and more questions to get good rank in GATE exam, then along with solving other questions which are available like previous year GATE questions already all of you have, so you can solve all those questions, and along with those questions, okay, you can also go with these important questions because these are questions prepared by professors of different IITs, and such professors are also involved in preparing the questions for GATE exam, okay. So there is possibility of common concepts being asked in that exam, okay, because if some professor is good in some concept, definitely everywhere they will try to ask questions related to those concepts, okay. So these may help you, right? Now here I have taken one sample question from this book, and this is from calculus, okay. So this question is, this is the question, okay. The value of del dot bracket में r cube r vector, where r vector is equal to xi plus yj plus zk, okay, and small r is equal to magnitude of r is, okay. You have to compute this quantity and these are the options, okay. Here small r represent magnitude of this r. So this is the problem which you have to solve, okay. In previous year GATE questions also they have asked such problems where they have used r square, r to the power n or ln r, many such quantities, right? So topic is important, you should know how to solve such problems, and I am going to explain the solution here. So first thing is, what is this r vector? We call this r vector as three-dimensional radial vector field, okay, a vector which can rotate in the entire 3D space. It is a position vector of a point xyz with respect to origin actually, okay. It can cover the entire 3D space, so it is called three-dimensional radial vector field. So instead of giving here r equal to this, they can simply write, okay, that r is a three-dimensional radial vector field, okay. So in that situation you have to understand r as this vector, okay. Now this r is a vector, and small r, what is this small r? This is small r, okay. So let us talk about this small r. I have created some space here, okay. So now I am starting from this side, solution starts here, okay, solution starts here. So this r is equal to magnitude of this vector, which is equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square, which can be written as x square plus y square plus z square to the power 1 divided by 2, okay. This is small r, and we can see that it is a scalar function. ये क्या है? Scalar function, okay. Now r cube, here is r cube, so r cube will be equal to what? X square plus y square plus z square to the power 3 upon 2. This is r cube, okay. Now this r cube multiplied as a scalar function with vector r. This is a scalar function and this is a vector function, so we can simply multiply scalar function with a vector, okay. So we get a vector function, say f equal to f1i plus f2j or plus f3k. This is the vector function f, right, which is equal to here r cube r vector, r cube multiplied by r vector. So it is equal to this r cube, which is x square plus y square plus z square to the power 3 by 2 Okay, this is r cube into r vector, that is xi plus yj और प्लस zk. ठीक है बच्चों, ये हमने लिखा. यहां तक आप नोट कर सकते हैं और इजीली आप समझेंगे एक एक स्टेप को ध्यान से कि r हमारा क्या है. अब जो इसने देखो सब कुछ सामने क्लियर है, ज्यादा कुछ सोचने वाली बात ही नहीं है इसके अंदर. भाई हमें पता है आर वेक्टर है तो आर इसका मैग्नीट्यूड है, तो कहीं ना कहीं इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट है. सो वी हैव कंप्यूटेड मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ आर हियर. ओके, नाउ आर क्यूब यहां पे लिखा हुआ है इनटू आर है, तो कर देते हैं, ये जो गिवन है वो करते हैं. ठीक है ना, तो हमने आर क्यूब इंटू आर वेक्टर लिखा, ये क्वांटिटी हमारे पास आ गई. अब इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई दिस स्केलर इनसाइड वी गेट दिस इंटू एक्स आई कैप प्लस दिस इंटू वाई जे कैप प्लस दिस इंटू जेड के कैप. So it is of the form f1 I cap plus f2 j cap plus f3 k cap. Okay. Now del dot f is what? Divergence of f. Okay. This del dot f is just divergence of f. So this del dot f is nothing but equal to del, all of you know, it is curl upon curl x I cap plus curl upon curl y j cap plus curl upon curl z k cap. This is del vector. Okay, del operator, and dot product with f vector, and f vector is f1i plus f2j or plus f3k. Okay, so equal to this I dot I is, we know that it is 1, I dot j 0, I dot k 0, j dot I 0, j dot j 1 or j dot k 0, k dot I 0, k dot j 0, k dot k 1. So finally we get curl f1 upon curl x plus curl f2 upon curl y or plus curl f3 upon curl y. Okay, this is partial derivative of the first component f1, this one, with respect to x, or plus with respect to y, that of f2, and with respect to y, that is of f3. Okay, यहां तक नोट कर लीजिए जल्दी से. So we can see there is a symmetry in this function. Okay, if we interchange, nothing change here. Okay, in this. So what we will derive now, curl f1 upon curl x we will compute, and with the help of that we can directly write these two. This is z, sorry, here we have z. Okay, upon curl z. So this we will compute, and then these two can be written, okay, using this. So how? Just see, what is this f1 equal to? It is x square plus y square plus z square to the power 3y2 multiplied by x. Okay, this is our f1. यहां से हमने into x कर दिया ना, ये f1 है हमारा. Okay, so curl f1 upon curl x, partial differentiation of f1 with respect to x, treating y and z constant. So here we can see that this is a function in multiplication with x, and we have x in both the functions, so multiplication rule we have to use. So this first function, there is x square plus y square plus z square to the power 3y2 into derivative of x is 1, or plus this x into derivative of this, so 3y2 or into x square plus y square plus z square to the power 1y2 or into 2x. Okay, now this is equal to, this is r cube actually. Okay, or plus 2 and 2 are cancelled, so we get 3x square. Okay, and this is what, x square plus y square plus z square. ये आपका क्या है यहाँ पे r. Okay, इसको हमने r लिखा. Now similarly we can write another quantity, that is curl f1 upon curl y. So it will be r cube plus 3y square r, and third one is curl f3 upon curl z, that is equal to r cube plus 3z square r. सेम तरीके से हम दोनों को लिख सकते हैं डायरेक्टली. अब ठीक है, यहाँ पे केवल y और z चेंज होंगे अकॉर्डिंगली. Now let us add all these three. Okay, so if we add all of them, what we get? If we add all these three, we get r cube plus r cube plus r cube, मतलब 3r cube, or plus 3r we can take common, So into x square plus y square plus z square, which is r square. So 3r cube plus 3r cube equal to 6r cube. This will be the finally answer. Okay, final answer is 6r cube. We know that divergence is a scalar function, so we are getting scalar function as the answer. So now from this question, all of you have got the idea that questions are related to GATE exam. Okay, such questions are also asked in GATE exam. You can check previous year GATE questions. Okay, so this was taken from our book, and in this book we have included questions from mathematics section also. Engineering mathematics is included in these questions. So from there we can we have selected this particular question. So such many important questions are there in this book. Okay. So those who want to prepare for GATE exam seriously, they must follow these books. Okay, all the best.